don't need a vent pipe on a biodigester. You are not supposed to put the vent pipe that's short on a biodigester. It's technically wrong. Whenever I do a video telling homeowners and new biodigester constructors not to put a vent on a biodigester, I do get a lot of comments or other constructors saying they do not agree with me and it's not true and there's no scientific basis for it. I'm going to show you in this video why I keep on saying that. Apart from the scientific truth that's in it, there's also the aesthetic part. There's a feeling, there's a kind of property you are building the biodigester for, and the reason why a vent pipe on the biodigester will not be the ideal thing. Come with me, let me show you in this video. On this channel, I have dedicated myself to showing you how simple on-site biodegradable biodigesters can help homeowners in terms of their solid waste management. I'm not going to do anything that will tell you what is different. I'm only going to show you what is working. And the proof of concept is in what has been done over the years and has worked for most homeowners in Ghana. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe and be part of a growing community of biodigester lovers. And you can also learn the simple tricks and principles of biodigester construction. For some time now, I'm working for the Swami India Ghana Limited. They are the owners of Solaris, the owners of Paradise Estate, and they have a new estate here in Oyarifa, here in Accra, the Serenity Estate. My work here is what I wanted to show you. The reason why I ask homeowners and I ask biodigester constructors as much as possible not put a vent pipe on their biodigester. This is a 3-bedroom house, semi-detached, right? Upstairs is there, and then of course there's a ground floor. And for each property, we do have 2 biodigesters. Now, in my case, here is a typical biodigester that has been done. This is a biodigester that has been done. Right? This is a biodigester. And this is the soak away that I did for the property here. This is the soak away. So the same there. And this is the digester. So 2 digesters for each property. So this is the digester. Right? And this is the pipe that's coming into it. This is the pipe. So it's been connected and it's virtually been buried at the bottom. So I was told specifically the vent is up there, way up there on the building, right? And that's what I've known all along, that the best thing to do is to use the vent for the WC, for the digester. If there's a problem, the air will go out there. Let's say you don't trust what we are saying, you don't trust us, and you don't believe in the scientific proof that anaerobic biodigesters are oxygen-free, and you want to do your own thing. If you are building for a property like this, or you are building for a company like this, you cannot put a vent here. How is that going to help your system? Or you are going to extend it all the way to the top? Would they allow you? Because they have cars that will come and park here. And the moment you put a vent cap or a vent on this thing, you are inviting flies. Apart from the technical side, you are making the technology not work. So for simple on-site biodegradable biodigesters that I've spoken about over the years, the vent on the building is enough. That's all you need to make sure your digester works. So if you are building your property, a high-income homeowner, you are building your luxurious property, an unqualified biodigester constructor, to come and tell you, oh, when I do the biodigester, I have to put a vent pipe on it. Otherwise, it will not work well. This is a biodigester here. And this is where the vent, the toilet that has been connected is here, all the way. And this is the vent that's for it. So I know in my videos, someone will come and say, they have to put a vent on it. I'm saying do that. But you can't go and put a vent in the middle of somebody's compound. You cannot do that. What are you telling the homeowner? Aesthetically, it's not nice. It's not pleasing to the eye. It doesn't make the building look nice. So the vent must be on the wall. Let's say you want to do a vent. Let's say there's no vent here. And then you want to do a vent for the biodigester. The best thing is to do what? Extend it all the way. Extend it all the way to the wall. And then you put it above the window level. So that any scent or any smell that you think was what will disturb the biodigester, it will do what? It will be taken out. But the moment you go and do a short vent and you put in a biodigester, whenever it rains, the water goes into it. Whenever flies are in the house, That's where they go and step first. And they come inside the house and they come and step on your food and give you all the drama that you don't want. And then later, people will come and say, biodigesters are not working. They are not working. Biodigesters are not working. So basically, you in biodigester construction will have to know the kind of property you are dealing with. If you are dealing with a property that there are specific understanding and agreements and terms that you have reached, and they show you the design of the house and the plan and how they are building their property, you must go along that line. In this case, particularly, I'm talking about, we were told that the biodigesters are going to be buried. They are going to be completely buried. You are not going to see anything. Only the inspection chamber, which is a clean out, that's what will be on top that you will see for the biodigester and for the soak away as well. So your work is to make sure, one, your soak away works well, your biodigester is in perfect condition. Luckily, 2 toilets are the only ones that are taking 1 biodigester. So that gives you enough time and enough room for biodegradation to work, for everything to just be very good for you. So in biodigester construction, these are some of the things that you look out for. What we do and what we say must match. We are not constructing biodigesters because we think that is the best option. It just happens to be one of the best options when it comes to homeowners looking for means of managing their solid waste.